Hi, Mochi. Are you Snickers' daughter? Yes, you are. Oh, I forgot to put Tom back in the kennel. Can you pull her back? I'm like, okay. My bad. She did. Come on, Tom. Mommy is not all there today. All right. You want to see the? You want to see TomTom? Okay. Tom, behind you, man. Finally, you're cleaning yourself. It's about time. All right. She seems okay. You got her? Tommy. Okay, I wiped it already. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on.
Nice and gentle, okay?
Tom.
Nice and gentle.
She doesn't have a tail. Aww.
Yeah, bad.
Oh, and you have puppy skin, pull it and put it in purse.
She's young, right? She's like 8 months.
Yeah, she's a good way.
You sit. Sit. Oh, good. Sit. Shake. Paw. Shake. Oh, that's up, baby. Sit. Sit's good. Sit is good. Sit is good. Good. She's like, it's not meat. I don't want it. Oh, you changed your mind? Like, yeah. It's bacon. Tom, come on, man. Let's go. Come on. Don't be lazy today, please.
Gentle, mommy.
Well, if Mama's good, then I figured she would be good too. She definitely has some boxer in her. Meh. Good boy. Good girl. She's Tom is in a mood, I'm telling you. Yeah, her leg. Can you fix her? Yeah. Tom is in a mood. Look, he's staring at his kennel. I want to go home. My tummy is aching. Yeah. Well, he has a bit of diarrhea, so. What do you think? What do you think? Oh, you sitting again? Mochi, sit. What a go! Easy. Good girl. She drops it and then she picks it back up. It's like, okay, anything else? No, not anything else. There's a piece right there. You dropped the piece behind you. Behind you, girlie. She's like, just bring her over there.
What you think, Mama?
She's good too. She's mindful. She's like, yeah, well, he attacked me. I'm staying away from him. Stinky kennel. Yeah, I got to clean that up. Mochi. Mochi. She's good. I mean, she's ignoring the cat, which is even better. Oh, you got a kiss out of her, Tom. You got a kiss. She's adorable. Oh. She's well behaved for a young dog. Another good one. Perfect.